This has about 40-something thousand miles, and she's leaking for about 15 years from here. Never bothered me, but she started leaking a little bit on the front too, and on the top. So just to let you know, I have used an old trick to get to the lower stand. It's not easy, so I have to go behind the muffler with 1/4 of an inch socket right here and 1/2 inch on the stud to take this one out. Just to let you know, if you start to do a job like that, be prepared. Okay, look at that. This is the old Loctite. Okay, I'm gonna keep putting this parts in the same place, these bolts and stuff. Make sure you remove the choke. Okay, and let me see if I need to do this now or later. We'll see. And I'm going to remove the horn. I have ordered a work light for this job. I haven't arrived yet. It will arrive on Tuesday, so I'll wait. See that? The return and the throttle. This with the spring goes here. The throttle goes here. Alright? And anyway, you're gonna, if you're getting to do a job like that, I'm sure you're gonna be taking a lot of pictures. Alright? And the other thing we have here, it's a vacuum hose active. Right? This has been rebuilt last year, and there's not even 500 miles on it. No, it's not an easy way to do the thing. Sorry for my language. Not loose. Okay, so I see here. Oh shit. Okay. This is the breather. I'll take this off here. Ah. You know, not bad for our age. This is just dirt. Let's see how the condition of the bike is. Okay. All right. Not bad. Now this is the part I couldn't get my hands in to clean her up, and when I'm done with it, it's going to be brand new. Not bad at all. I'm very happy. Let me get the new throat cables out of the way. Okay, I don't want to touch nothing anymore with this one. Here, remove that, remove that. Okay, this is just a B40. Okay. Okay, this bridge has to go away too. Okay. Okay, we remove Loctite here. We remove the front ones. I don't have to show you both. This doesn't matter. This is easy. The difficult ones, they are the rear. All right, let's do it. Wow. Okay. Ah, shit. Okay, this bridge holds these two cylinders together somehow. And definitely has Loctite. That was a very tight bolt. Okay. Okay, the rear ones, you don't have to remove them completely. Okay, just like 1/8 of an inch. I have already done this too. Alright, and I have a gap, so you can slowly, without destroy the gaskets, see the gaskets? Remove the manifolds. Right here, okay? Now these, they have numbers. They're up and down. You can't just put them the way you want. So if you take it off like that, without checking the numbers, just put it exactly like this back. Alright? If you do a mistake, look my video last year from the carburetor, a manifold rebuild. So we got this out of the way. I'm gonna remove the spark plugs too. And look, like this is the bolt that everybody's talking about. How the hell we're gonna remove that? We'll have to cut an Allen key or something. I'm gonna give it a try. Let's see. Okay, I have removed the front. Now this is only the beginning. It's only the top that I'm gonna do today, but I'm gonna try to do the rear. You see this little bracket here? This one? You gotta remove it, but I didn't because I cut the Allen key short. I have an extra one. So I was thinking to take this off right now, and I was trying to get this Allen bolt out, and I was ready to cut the Allen key more, but then I realized they have put a hole here just for that. Check it out. You see that? So stupid. I didn't see the hole. I don't know if it's gonna come out. I have no idea. Let me work on it a little bit, then I come back to you. You see the leak? I have also a leak on the upper gasket, right here. Check it out. The front cylinder, no, looks, no, there is a leak there too. Look at that. So I got leak on the top, leak on the bottom, top, bottom. It's been leaking everywhere. But see, it's, to do a round's great, but I think it was time to do this job, and well, this engine is going to get a really good cleanup. The pistons, the carbon deposits and everything. I will take my time. Alright, let's see if we can get this off. This is what I did. I cut a little piece of plastic and I hammered it so I won't scratch the chrome. Alright, remember that. If you make knots, write this down. Don't put the screwdriver in there and it won't open with a rubber hammer. Easy. No idea. The rubber is here. Okay. Unbelievable. Thank God for the forums. It's off. So the answer to a lot of questions on the internet is yes, you can remove that with the engine on. Now if this comes off, my life it gets easier. Alright, so let's clean it up. I'm very happy now. I was really worried I have to like lower the engine. That's not gonna be easy. Okay, and put it right here next to the other stuff. My cats. Harley and Rosie, they love the heater. Alright, so let me get ready and see how we're gonna continue with this. Okay, of course, don't try this at home if you don't know what you're doing and you don't have a service manual. Alright, I got the second piece off, this one, and it was not coming off yesterday. I'm going to tell you the trick, so let me put it exactly how it was. I'm starting here, so I'm going like that, you know, so I know I'm going to go all around and here if I have to. I don't have too much space. You put your bike on 5th gear. If you put it on 5th gear, then rotate a little bit the rocket arms, alright, and it will come out. Now up to this point, now we have to like center, bring up the piston to the top. Each cylinder we're working on, okay, very important. But before that, I'm going to try to remove this. Alright, see what I'm saying? You're going to see it coming up and down, this one. Okay. When it comes down, let me know. Okay. Alright. Let me go this side. So.
Okay, stop it there. It's up. Yes, there, it's up. Okay.
There's up?
Yes. It's okay, it's up. Stop it. It's going down a little.
Okay, go back.
Up, a little up. Yes, more up.
Okay, so what we did is the intake valve is closed and we bring the piston way up. So this is the instructions here too. Okay. Thanks, baby.
You're welcome. Your tea is ready.
Rotate the engine so both valves are closed on the head being replaced. Okay. Let me see. Remove the rocket arm retaining bolts 12 and washers nearest the rocket arm shafts at the push rod end. Alright, so we have here one. Let me see here. First we have the rocket arms. Okay, so we have 1, 2. We have a 3, 4, 5. We have 2 Allen bolts here. 6, 7. Okay. The piston is way up. and the valves, they're closed. Alright, let's see. A little bit down, right there, for now. You know, I want to make sure this, rotate the engine so both valves are close to the head being replaced, so they don't want you to have any pressure here on the valves. That's the trick, okay? And the piston is on the top center, but I watch a guy on YouTube try, and he's very right. He says, like, if you can move them, they're loose, and I can't move them right now, so I want to go up and down a little bit. The guy says you move them forward and backward, then they are loose. So this is what I'm trying to do right now. I have this loose. You see that? Let me move this back a little bit. Okay. Can you hear that? Look at that. This is what we want. And this is still stiff. I don't see it. How? Okay, this valve is closed. And this valve is opening, so it has to release the pressure somewhere. Now it's pushing the valve, and the valve is up. It's gotta be somewhere here. You know, these Allen bolts, actually this one was like almost loose. I have no idea why. Check it out. So let's just go by the book. I don't know how I'm gonna move this one, but it says first remove these Allen bolts. Okay, one here and one here. So let me lose this. Recording. Alright, so let me show you it. That was not an easy one, okay? But if you pay attention, I'm gonna stop speaking so you can see it. Okay, you understand? That's how you know both valves, they're completely closed. There is no pressure here. Alright, I'm gonna go with the book. I saw a couple of videos, but this is what I'm talking about. So it took me some time on the rear cylinder to check this. Okay, to check this. So we are on this one and this one now. Rotate the engine so both valves close it on and the head be to the head being replaced. Okay, so now I'm gonna start losing the bolts. I have already loosed the two Allens here. Remove lower rocket boxes as an assembly. Then disassemble if necessary. I'm not going to do that. Remove the rocket arm shafts by tapping them out with a hammer and a soft metal punch. Okay. Remove rocket arms 10 and 11 and mark them so they assembly. Okay. Mark rocket arm shafts so they will be installed in the original positions. All valve train components must be reinstalled in the original position. Okay, remember, Also, the washers you're taking out from here, they're hardened. You can't just put regular washers on this stuff, alright? So don't lose them. If you lose them, order new ones from the factory, from Harley. This is half inch. But I'm gonna go slow. Again, a little bit on this. I'm going little by little. Let's see what's gonna happen. Little here. Little here. These are not extreme tight. I can tell you that. A little bit here. Alright. You see that? A little bit here. Well, nice and easy. So you can see this side too. A little bit here. This is loose. They're almost loose. I have no idea why it's not too much tension on this. Anyway. So oil in here. Okay, we'll see. And this one looks like it can go too. Okay, so these are loose. Alright, let's see if I can remove it. Alright. Okay, so these here. Oh, so we have the 4 on the top, the half inch. Okay, so we have another 1, 2, 3, 7, 16. To get on this one, I have to make this thin 1/4 inch extension. Now this one is easy. This, I don't know. Hold on. I gotta get something else. Okay. 1, 2, 3. This, the only way I can get it is with that. Look how easy. There's no pressure on these things. I'm not sure why they're so. It was just a little bit tight. Just a little bit. I will check the book again. Look at that. It's crazy. Why is that so loose? Well, look at it. It's completely loose. Now this is the front. Let's see if I can do that. Yes, I can do that. Okay. This is the front. Alright. And the top is easy to understand. Okay. It's the blue. So, one thing at a time. Okay. Let's put this here. Okay, this is the front, rear cylinder. Right here. Okay, you see that? The exhaust side, it's longer. Wow! I can take the bolt out now. Wait. Don't lose any of these washers. Okay, I can bring it back slowly. Slowly. Yes. Slowly. Ah. Amazing. Not much left on this gasket. Alright, let's take a break. It's been here for years. These little cosmetic covers, chrome covers for the head bolts. Okay. Haven't been removed ever. This bike would never be opened at that point.